Hello and welcome to Hike California. Today I'd like to talk about how to layer your hands while backpacking in order to stay warm and comfortable in a variety of conditions. First, let's start with the basics. When layering your hands, you'll want to think about three main layers. Just like your regular clothing, there is a base layer, an insulation layer, and a shell layer. Now, the base layer is the layer that sits closest to your skin. This layer should be made of a moisture-wicking material like merino wool or synthetic fibers to help keep your hands dry and prevent sweating. The insulation layer is the layer that helps to keep your hands warm. This can be a fleece glove or mitten or a synthetic insulation like Primaloft or Thinsulate. Finally, the shell layer is the outer layer that protects your hands from the elements like wind, rain, and snow. This can be a waterproof and breathable material like Gore-Tex or a more durable material like leather or nylon. The other thing you can do to help keep your hand warm is to use chemical hand warmers. These small packets can be placed inside gloves or mittens to provide extra heat. They can be found at most outdoor retailers and are a great option for those who struggle to keep their hands warm. One big consideration is to keep your hands dry. Moisture can quickly chill your hands, so it's important to keep them dry. Avoid sweating by removing layers as needed, and use waterproof gloves or mittens if you expect to be in wet conditions. If your hands are starting to get cold, you can also do some hand exercises. Keep your blood flowing by doing hand exercises while on trail. Clench, unclench your fists, make fists and hold them, and even do some light stretching. Lastly, you can stay active. Staying active on the trail will help keep your body warm and your hands too. So take regular breaks, but don't sit still for long periods of time. Hope this has been helpful in understanding how to keep your hands warm while backpacking. Remember, layering is key to staying warm and comfortable in a variety of conditions, so it's important to choose the right layers for the weather you'll be expecting.